back to MGBL Sneakers. What's going on? You know, your boy's got another pair to review. These bad boys just came in the mail, the Air Jordan 1 Taxi colorway. If you guys are reminiscent about the Air Jordan 1 Bread Toe, these are similar, but they're yellow. They look like a taxi. So call your taxi, put these on, and get going. Nah, I'm playing. Man, let's get into it. So usually, as usual, I get them from eBay. So they're authentic. You know the game now. You guys have been seeing my videos for a bit, and if you haven't, get subscribed because a lot more content's coming. And here is the box for these guys. Look at that, yellow, reminiscent of a bumblebee. Oh my goodness. Pretty basic box. I have the Wu-Tang ones, I call them, but I think they're the Poland ones. They look exactly identical. There is really nothing different about them. But what's different is on the inside of these is these guys. Look at this. This is what you guys want to see. Look, the Air Jordan 1 yellow toe or black toe, whatever. These can go by a lot of names, but they go by taxis. So these are 360 view of the shoe. Here's the outsole. You have the eBay verified tag, so you know they're legit. And yeah, honestly, here's another one. These should all come with one of these. So if you guys buy off eBay and don't get one of these, question what you got. Make sure it's not fake, but yeah, man. So, why did I get these shoes? Well, you're not gonna believe how cheap Air Jordan 1s are. I got these for $170 Canadian. So I'm guessing that's like 120 US. The guy wore them once. Look how clean they look, no creasing or nothing. Like honestly guys, this is the religion I live by. Like why go spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on shoes when you can get a fresh pair that's only been worn once? Like there's nothing wrong with them, no creases, nothing. And I tell all my viewers, I'm here to save you guys money, but still be fashionable at the same time. Because we're in a crisis right now, economic crisis right now. It's not too good. You know, people want to save money and spend less. So I'm the guy to answer your calling, especially if you're a sneakerhead or love fashion. Listen to what I'm saying. Don't worry if you can't cop Jordans for retail. Find a used pair on eBay, Grailed, or GOAT. StockX only sell brand new, so I'd stay away from those guys. But guys, you don't need much to look good. Honestly, these ones look awesome. These came out last year in like November, right? This was originally a PE colorway for a band. I'm not sure, I forget the name. But then obviously, as usual, Nike releases a GR pair. So these are the GR pairs. Now I've seen them creeping up in value recently, but nothing too crazy. But I know these are gonna go up. I give them another year or two and they're probably gonna hit like $300 or $400. So, I mean, like, you guys gotta understand, your shoes is like an investment. You may wear them once, twice, 3 times, but you can still sell them and make money or make your money back. Now, if you want to make money, don't wear them. Obviously, keep them on ice. But at the same time, honestly, like, don't worry so much about it. But, like, honestly. So, on the shoe, as you can see, you got a black leather, a white panel with a black swoosh going all the way around. You got the Wings logo right here. This leather's really good. This leather is kind of soft, like a soft tumbled leather, so it's not too bad. Then again, these are crease magnets, so don't expect to not crease these after like 3 times of wearing them. But not too bad, they're good. And I was surprised by one thing. I have a pair of ones, right? I have the red patent ones, which I should have gotten, but I forgot. But anyways, these are really comfortable. I don't know what it is. It's like every pair of Jordan is made different. Either you get a crap pair or you get a really good pair. And I think I got one of the good pairs because these are so comfortable on feet, like more than a standard Jordan 1, honestly. If I could wear these as slippers all day, but obviously I can't because I'm not wearing shoes inside my house all day. I mean, I could, but whatever. But these are really comfortable. And if you guys own a pair of these, you guys understand what I'm talking about. These are really comfortable. My goodness, I can't express it enough. Usually I would buy an insole or something and just put it in here to make it more comfortable. But man, these are really good. I can't not imagine these not being comfortable. And also having a sick, dope colorway, you know. But yeah, man, that's the shoe. It's like I said, there's a lot of ones out there. I don't want to become a general YouTuber that just reviews random ones. I want to give you a story. I want to give you a reason to buy these right now. You know, I don't follow trends. I don't go and buy the newest pair of J's and review them. I buy the ones I like and I review, and the ones I can cater to the people, because I'm trying to save you guys money. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not trying to be a jabroni. I'm honestly trying to help you guys up your fashion game for cheaply as possible. And buying used sneakers is not a bad thing. I'm an advocate for used sneakers. I was able to get 7 pairs, including my True Blues, and like True Blues 2s. I got a bunch of shoes, I can't remember. I got the Fears right now. I'm wearing them right now. The Jordan 1 Fears. I got these for under $200. Review coming shortly for those ones. But guys, you'd be nuts not to look and buy used shoes. Just make sure they're legit. That's all I care about. As long as they're legit, as long as a guy didn't put a stink bomb in his shoes, I'll wear them. Because you know what? They're cheaper and I'm not gonna pay resale. I've saved myself thousands of dollars over the years. Thousands of dollars, guys. Honestly. You know, I know there's many sneaker YouTubers out there and they have their own method of reviewing, they got their own spin on things, but you know what? I'm the guy who's gonna save you money and show you a dope pair of kicks for a good price. These can be found, but I feel like a lot of people don't wanna put the time in to explain that, so they just wanna care about the shoe, like they wanna explain it. I'm trying to tell you guys, like, do your research before buying shoes. I know we all like a fresh pair of J's. You're not the only one, you know. Everyone loves shoes. We're humans. We have our like our drug. My drug is buying shoes. I got a lot of shoes now, which I have to do a giveaway and sell soon. So keep getting subscribed. I think around 100 I might do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But honestly, guys, you can find these for a good deal. Just buy them. Hands down. Unless you can't afford them or you're in struggles right now. I understand you. The economy's bad right now, even in Canada or the States or wherever, you know. We're not recovered from COVID yet, so honestly. But guys, that's gonna conclude my review. These are really sick pair of shoes. I can't wait to wear them. And just wanna throw out there, I got a Discord I made, a lifestyle where we talk about tech, media, YouTube, anything really of like a conversation starter. I wanna get to know you. I wanna know who you are. You know, I wanna be able to connect with you on a more personal level. So hit that link down below in my description box and let's get started, man. Anyways, guys, peace out. Your boy is out of here. I'm out, man.